WordPress developers are a dime a dozen. I have about 1,300 connections on LinkedIn that are WordPress developers. And I'm not knocking any of you if you're watching this, but they use developer as a very loose term. I don't necessarily think working in Elementor or just with, you know, working with third-party themes and plugins and then building a website like that is considered, you know, a WordPress developer. At least it wasn't back when I was in it. If you couldn't, you know, program the theme yourself, then you were basically a WordPress user, because that's the whole point of WordPress, right? So anybody could just jump in and make it. Here's the Disney, at least the digital media portion of the business's employment flow. You get recruited. Disney wants you to work for them. It's exciting. It's a big name. And their hourly rate is fine. You are now a contractor for Disney. Next, you have been working there now. Right about the 6 to 7 month period, you realize there's a ticking clock. While you might have known this ahead of time, you get reminded that Disney can only keep you as a contractor for a maximum of 18 months. Their first rank is for 1 year. Once you get close to your 1 year mark, your manager, they have to make a case for extending your contract. Once you get to your 18-month mark, Disney has to make a choice. Hire you, that's a full-time employee, or bye. You can imagine how nerve-wracking that is. First off, you have your ID card. You're a Disney employee. Picture on it has the Disney logo. You have a Disney email at disney.com. And you can go into the Disney office. That badge gets you into other places too, other campuses. When your badge gets upgraded to a full-time cast member, they get you a little badge, like the Disney cast members. When you go full-time, you get way more perks. So many perks. You get discounts in all the Disney stores. You get discounts on tickets. You get free tickets. You get so much. The benefits of working for Disney full-time really allow them to underpay their staff a little bit, you know, because you're making it up in other ways. And during my tenure, I got 2 offers for full-time employment. You know, when they told me about the first one, I was pretty like confident. I'm like, okay, cool. Yeah, they're not gonna get rid of me. My boss loves me. I put out good work. That fell through. And then they told me about another one. Long story short, I didn't get hired on either of the projects. You want to hear a story about a senior engineer that shouldn't be? Back when I was still getting like contracting gigs, I started working for this real estate company. They needed a real WordPress programmer. The person that I was kind of relieving the duties of, he wasn't like getting fired or anything. They wanted him to work on other things. He was just like this generic programmer. They considered him a senior because he's the only guy that was there, and he's been there for so long. He was just given a new CMS to work on, and he just did what he knew. And he did the craziest hard-coded PHP programming, completely ignored WordPress functions, did like SQL queries directly. He should not have been left alone with the keys. I had to completely work around landmines constantly, and performance sucks, memory leaks, and super unsecure code. It's exactly the same, no difference between making a game in WordPress and Godot. Oh really? I hope you're not being sarcastic, because it does not play well over Messenger, because I do that a lot when I'm watching other people's streams. I'm like being super sarcastic and they're like, oh, huh, really? Yeah, exactly. We need like a global. Here, we'll do something like this. I think this will help us. It'll only be you and me because we're on this talking right now, but it'll be like this. It'll be like, so the tilde, that's the clue. Being sarcastic. It's like as if you're farting the words out. You know what I mean? Tilde. Wow.
What up?
You motherfucker.
How's it going? AAA Orbem is alive. Hey, how goes it? Indy in the house. Always good, always good. Who? What an annoying day. What up, Indy? How's it going, Ming? You invent anything new today? Oh. You got your PC fixed? Hell yeah. Your mom found that thumb drive, and then everything worked out. I'm very happy for you. Oh man. You're on Linux planning on dual booting. Hell yeah. That's exciting. Oh man. Well, I have a major complaint today. I don't know if anybody keeps up with my shorts. You love Linux, that's good. But I posted a short today, and if you're part of the Discord or, you know, my Facebook or my Instagram, I kind of complained and ranted about this, but Google has actively shadow banned my short. At least it's not giving it any exposure, which I'll pull it up right now and show you what I'm talking about. Okay. So let's take a look at how YouTube works. Okay. So I'm going to go to this video. This is a great example. Check it out. As you can see, in the last 48 hours, there was 416 views. And even better, a better indication of what I'm talking about is right here. 1.2K. So that's 1,200 people were exposed to this short in the shorts feed, right? So, yeah, I know, right? Me doing this should be a short. Doesn't matter. You see what's happening here. Like, okay, so 33% decide to watch it. That's why only 400 out of 1,000. Okay. That's fine. It didn't perform very well, but it was exposed to 1.2 thousand people, right? This short was specifically about, you know, just privacy policies. I was talking about how, you know, they're full of junk and, you know, sometimes they just, they're overkill and they scare people. Originally I was talking about the Only Humans game controversy about the privacy policy that scared everybody. Whatever. Completely normal. Following day, today, I launch another short that has similar things. It's talking about privacy on websites and how your data is tracked or whatever. But the first half of this short, I actively say that Google is the problem. I say that you should be scared of Google. Google is the one that tracks everybody's data, and they are the owner of Chrome, which is the most widely used browser in the world. So they make the rules on top of doing all the tracking, right? Okay. I'm just spitting some knowledge. Google's allowed to be criticized. But what do? Shown in feed 1.2 thousand times. My Google short, shown in feed 6 times. Do you see a difference here? This was shown in the YouTube Shorts feed 6 times. That means it was only exposed to 6 people. Now, how does Shorts exposure exploit work? Basically, this is how it works. YouTube Shorts algorithm exposes your shorts to a certain test group of people. People they think that might like it. Because they want people to view things and, you know, because then they get to run ads and that kind of stuff. So, what happens? They expose it to a certain amount of people. And if a lot of people like it, they exploit it. And it goes viral. And you get thousands. It's happened to me a few times where I get like 3,000 views out of nowhere. But they always expose it to a test group, and if it does well, they exploit it. If it doesn't, it cuts off. And a lot of mine do. A lot of mine just cut off. Usually around 800 to 1,000 people. It cuts off if it doesn't like do crazy well. Now, tell me why only 6 people were exposed. And out of 6, probably only 1 of them swiped away. Meaning that's a pretty good performance as far as the test case that they gave. Also, so I got 7 views out of 6, which, I mean, whatever. The math doesn't add up. But this short specifically, it did fine. And not only that, but this short got 4 likes out of 6 views. I mean, it's as good as you can get. It's 100%. Technically, it's 100%. All the likes. No. This all happened before I put the link anywhere. Hey, Deck Dude. I'm complaining about Google right now. What happened was, this was not my original title. I changed this after the fact. After I knew it was a dead short. It originally had nothing to do with Google. I tried a few different titles to see if it would expose it. It actually started when I first launched this short. It got 0 exposure. And it's still, the title had nothing to do with Google, but maybe it was a little negative of a title. It was kind of about like privacy and stuff. So I tried changing the title a few times, and that's when it got the 6 shorts feed exposures, and then it died again. So once it, I posted this at 11 a.m. I waited until about 4 p.m. I don't know, maybe a little earlier, until I started just blasting it everywhere, just to say like, hey, everybody, fucking, screw shorts. It's not going to expose it. I want to expose it. Which, it didn't really work. I didn't get a lot of views on this, regardless. But the fact is, this really shows how much YouTube is actively scraping the audio from videos you upload and flagging it for negative content against the company. You know what I mean? Because Google owns YouTube. You talk bad about Google in your video, at least what it can control, it'll stop. Hey, Projectile Game. Create some random short saying you got 600 subs. What? What's your most viewed short? Inappropriate. Wait, what? Did you get 600 subs randomly from a short? I want 600 subs. That sounds great. I need 600 subs. Anyways, to finish my rant. The short has been flagged 100% by YouTube. My time zone is Eastern time zone. So I'm going to play this short live on my stream and see what happens. Let's mute the music. I want this to be on one of my videos. And it'll be at the beginning of this one, at this live video.
The person you should be scared about.
All right, hold on. Let's restart this.
Most is Google, because not only
Here we
about
go.
the most is Google. The person you should be scared about the most is Google, because not only do they collect the most information about online interactions, but they're the ones that make the rules, because they run Chrome, and Google Chrome is the most used browser on the internet. Be scared of Google. Don't be scared of websites, but I mean, don't be stupid either. Don't click on weird links. Don't ever download anything. I know you want to, but like go to a marketplace that you trust, like the App Store, or, the WordPress directory is pretty safe, and
different directories like that. That's fine. But don't just like go on random websites and download things. Like, oh, I need this free online tool. No, just don't do it. If you're worried about privacy, don't do that. Because how the hell do you think they're offering free tools? What, you think they're just making money off of the ad revenue on their website? That's pennies, man. Nah, they're making money because they're tracking your damn computer now that you installed Calculator 2.0 or whatever the hell. The person you should be scared about the most is Google, because not only do they collect the most information about online interactions, but they're the ones that make the rules, because they run Chrome, and Google Chrome is the most used browser on the internet. Be scared of Google. Don't be scared of websites, but I mean, don't be stupid. And yeah, I actively call out Google. I'm not going to say I don't actively call out Google in my rant, but to actively stifle exposure to a short that criticizes Google, that's pretty big brother, man. That's pretty rough. The outro. Did the outro scare you? Sorry. Yeah, I add those just to fill in some time, and I do it on some of them. I turn the volume down, so it shouldn't be too bad, but this one, there wasn't a lot of time left, so it kind of just went blah. But yeah, anyways, I was pretty disappointed in YouTube because, I mean, first of all, I have 136 subscribers. I don't have any subscribers in the grand scheme of thing. And my shorts never get shown to more than 1,000 people, right? So if you're that scared of people hearing, like, truth about your platform, your $1 trillion company from such a small content creator, then that's really scary. You know what I mean? About how much they're actually listening to your content on your videos, and how many people are getting shut down just because they don't agree with Google as a whole. And look, I love YouTube. I think it's a great platform. My favorite platform for listening and watching videos, and I appreciate Google's products. I'm a web programmer. You know what I mean? I build websites. I use Google on a daily basis for tons of their tools, including email and integrating them into websites for SSO and for Google Analytics and Tag Manager. Google AdSense I've used. Like, I don't have a problem with the amount that Google has. I mean, I have a goddamn Pixel phone. I have a Google phone. Like, I'm not against Google as a company, right? I'm just telling people, stop complaining about little websites. You know what I mean? About the mom and pop shops that have a privacy policy that say, hey, we might collect your data and send to third parties. Or, what are they doing with my data? Like, stop complaining about those people. They're not the problem. Google's the problem if you have a problem. I don't have a problem. I don't care if you track my data. I don't care if you track my scroll depth or my click events. I don't care if you track what I'm typing into input fields. I always say, don't enter anything into a website that you're not willing to share with a stranger. It's the bottom line. Because everybody can see it. At some point or another, somebody's going to see the data that you input. And whether that's because of a data breach, or that's because you're on a shady ass site and they're scraping the input fields, or you get scammed by an email that sends you to a login screen or something. I mean, being on the internet, you have to be careful, and you have the control. You're the one that's in control of what you do online. Google exploits that because they control everything when it comes to websites. They control the browser, they control the scraping, and they control the output, the selling, the ads, the videos, the news. They control all that because it's a giant ass monopoly, you know, which is legal. And they're getting sued. You know, they're getting sued just for their search engine, not for anything else, but they're getting sued right now just because the government's like, hey, you guys have a duopoly with fucking Safari or Bing or I forget what the other one is. But like, yeah, you have a monopoly of search engines because they actively pay billions of dollars to make sure people are using their search engine. I don't know. I mean, if my account doesn't get shut down after this live stream, then, you know, maybe they're not all bad. But that pisses me off. I want to turn this short into a full video, like at least something above 1 minute. That way I can show it, you know, in search results and all that kind of stuff, because yeah, the fact that they have control over the exposure like that is kind of shady. Sorry, I was not reading any of the chat during my rant. Just reminded you that you lost your YouTube video. Gotta re-record it. Oh yeah. And then Projectile Games over here. Hey, do you know why today is gonna be fun? You're making some gun models out of cardboard. Ooh, that's cool. That would be cool. What you mean, like cutting it out out of like a sheet of cardboard? You're cutting a gun shape, and you're making models out of cardboard like that? That's pretty cool. You should cover it with like paper mache. All right. No more negativity. Hot glue gun. 10 glue sticks. That's fire, man. What's your problem? There are doggos. I appreciate doggos. My 3 dogs would appreciate that. What the hell is this? Pop, 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 pop. There's no cardboard. Wait, what? What are you talking about? There's no cardboard? That's annoying. I'm sorry. Well, you gotta go find some. Just go behind buildings and stuff, huh? Everyone's just spamming dogs now. Okay. Let's get past this. I will post a new short tomorrow, and it will be not Google related. Maybe. I don't know. I just kind of look through my streams for content, so it could be. It could be related to Google again. You forgot to buy from the store. Ah, don't buy cardboard. Don't you get packages ever, or can't you go get it from your work? In channel points, you should add a reward where you have to pet the dogs. Ooh, that'd be cool. Yeah, I don't even have channel points. I don't have enough. I need 9 more followers and an average of 3 viewers, something like that. So I can't do anything fun on my streams yet. You might just make a new channel to upload videos on because you cannot find the login info. Yeah, dude, Indy, just make a new account. I have like 10 YouTube accounts just because they're Gmail. You know, they're like automatically made from Gmail. Yeah, still upset about that short. It's not like it doesn't take a little bit of time for me to actually edit and like release a short. That's the main reason that's annoying. What was I doing yesterday? Let's find out what the hell I was doing. I think I was trying to... Did I have a bug or something? Your first video is going to be you explaining who you are and stuff? No, that's good. You still have the script and how you're supposed to edit it. Nice. I'll be honest, I don't use scripts. I just kind of figure it out on the fly. I like when it feels more natural. Okay, we need to make fire persist. So the persist function, oh, I thought I fixed that, actually. I definitely did something. The persist one, I think yeah. So I did this. Pretty sure I removed. Oh, that's right. I changed the timeout clear. Did I not test it though? I might not have tested it. Alright, let's start over. Just like we always do. Next week you are starting a Let's Play series for Minecraft. Ooh, that's cool. Probably only going to use a script for the video because you don't know what you're going to say. Yeah. Some sort of tutorial. Hell yeah, man. Ooh, you got the cardboard? Awesome projectile game. Yeah, Dak dude, we still need to figure out what we want to do. I'm letting you figure it out though. Because I don't have any time to figure it out. But I will take your suggestions and I will be on board with whatever you want to do. Whether you want to play a game or you want to make a game. You want me to show you how to do something in web programming, or if you want to show me something. Random rifle. Send you a picture of it when it's done. I don't know any rifles. Sorry, projectile game. I don't know any rifles. Like, not by name. Maybe the AK-47 or AR-15. I think those are the only ones I know. But yeah, if you need scripts, you need scripts. It's not a big deal. I was just saying, like, I don't know. It just kind of screws me up if I'm reading, you know. I'm too dependent on it if I have a script. AR-15? Alright. Let's go. I helped. 22 caliber rifle is your favorite to shoot. Yeah. Pretty little. Not a lot of kickback. That makes sense. And they're good for shooting rabbits and squirrels. And grouse. Alright, I want pictures though. Post it in Discord. I'll show it. Is your cardboard enough? That is the $50 million question, my friend. What the hell? No talking? I don't know why sometimes the talking doesn't work. I gotta figure that out someday. Your cardboard skills are terrible. Yeah. Cardboard's hard to cut, man. I have seen some cardboard cutting devices that are like electric, like pizza cutters almost. And they like, whoop, 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 they go right through it. But I mean, if you're using regular scissors, you like the beeping when they're talking? I do too. I'm keeping it. I gotta make it more consistent, but I love it. I love the little 8-bit beeping based off of the word length. It's very entertaining. You sent something in the game dev channel? Oh, let me see. Let us see. Is it safe for work? Ooh, I want to see what you made. Womp. Oh god. My bad. Hold please. Hold on, I want to show this on screen. Is safe for work. There we go. Oh god, what am I doing? Oh, okay. You got color changes. Hell yeah. That's because you got... That's that new programming you were talking about, right? That's sick. That's good. That's good for your game, because when you're changing the textures, color is going to be a big deal. You don't make not safe for work stuff. Yeah, that makes sense. I don't know. You could just be screaming the F word for like 10 minutes, as far as I know. Knowing you, I don't think you would do that, but you know, people get trolled all the time for that kind of stuff. Have I tried 1440? I did. Well, I mean, I tried it the little bit that I showed on stream, but I can't get it to not be full screen. And it also completely lags out my computer. So yeah, I gotta find a better way of playing it, like on an emulator or something. Yeah, I got a lot of notifications on Pirate Software. I don't keep up with it. And you know, they restart the damn fair software stream like 10 times a day, so I just give up. Though I did post my rant about Google in the Pirate Software, because I posted it in their general channel. I was like, hey everybody, fucking Google's trying to shut me up, let's rally. It didn't work, obviously. Yeah, I was very disappointed that nobody actually listens to me when it came to my Facebook and Instagram and everything. I didn't post it on Twitter, but yeah, I got like maybe 2 or 3 views altogether from posting it all over. I didn't post it on LinkedIn, but yeah, I don't want people on LinkedIn getting in my business. You can't even play it? Yeah, I don't know why. It doesn't look like a bad game. I just, you know, I mean, I'd be into it. I love the little pixel art style stuff, but I just can't do it. Okay, well, I think that's fine. We already knew that was happening. That's it. Alright, the AR-15 and the Grand. Alright, man. Make your gun models. I expect pictures and I want to see them, so I'll catch you later. Goodbye to Mongolia. Alright, let's change characters. Let's get rid of that. Now, did it work this time? Rocket fire. Disarm the rocket. Ooh, it might have worked. Network. Ooh, 2 points. Rocket fire. Okay, I think it worked. Fire should now persist being gone. Hold on. I'm gonna refresh. It worked. I think that calls for confetti. Okay. Good. But what didn't persist were the disarm buttons. So, oh yeah. Because this came back. Why the fudge did Meet Iona Bailon come back? Ooh, that's weird. I gotta see what's up with that. And luckily I can go back and try to do it again. You joined the Pirate Software server just to see your post? Oh, did you? Alright. I won't do anything special. You know I won't, Indy. I'll catch you when you get back. Alright. Maybe that console error actually is a problem. I didn't think it was. But if that mission's not going away, then something is wrong. Okay. Obviously, value's not getting what it needs to. Wait, what? What the hell is value in run point animation? Value is, I mean, what is selected item? Value. Value. What is value here? Value is mission. Wait, which one is it actually erring on? 2583. So it's, oh no, that's the function. What's calling that? What is calling that? Let's see the stack trace. Typewriter. Oh. Save mission. This one. Set timeout. Here, this one right here. So that's okay, so it is the one on top, like I thought. 450. So on stream today you were playing, okay, the ghost game. Really? Some dick cussed you out? I don't know, when I watched you play, you were with a girl and an older guy. He was a little, I don't know, a little aggressive and cussing a lot. I mean, you know, I'm not trying, I cuss on stream, even though I know, you know, there's, you know, kids at least under 18 watching, but it seemed a little excessive the way he was talking, you know, in a public setting. Hey, Indy's back. Yeah, so it's like, people are dicks. Bottom line. Playing games with people. You got ice cream? Man, quit bragging. Oh, save mission. Shoot. Wait, is that the one I was trying to look at? No, it's run point animation. Oh yeah, it's in save mission. Why is it? Oh, it's because it's... Yeah. Okay, so it's this one right here. So what's the value? It's coming from save mission. So obviously the save mission after completing the cutscene is the problem. So after cutscene, where's the actual, this one? So I'm using save mission here. Right here. Mission complete is the value. Mission complete is a string. That would be why it's not working. Oh, no. Value is the second one. Okay, so it is working. Oh, that's right. It's trying to complete the mission even though it doesn't exist until you get to the other area. But that's why I have this. Wait, why am I... Yeah, okay. So, I just need to put a check. Yeah, so if value... There we go. That'll do. Yeah, that's the main problem. It's just sometimes the value doesn't exist. So I don't think that's what's breaking things. You're in a household where a lot of swearing occurs. That's surprising, being homeschooled and surrounded by sailors. And you watch YouTube shorts, which is, for a movie, it would be rated R. You have a new school orientation tomorrow. Ooh, okay. Cool, man. Mostly riding your scooter over there. Oh, damn, you get to ride yourself? Yeah, I guess that's cool. Yeah, when I turned 16, that's when I first started driving to school. But it wasn't that close, so. Cool, man. Well, thanks for jumping on, Indy. I will catch you in the next one, and make sure to post more Engineering pictures, my friend. In the Discord. Because I like looking at them. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. Yeah, I'm also disappointed that this is still coming back. That means that the trigger is still happening. Wait, so why doesn't this... So the mission's complete, so it won't complete the mission again. But if the mission's complete, then it shouldn't show up. Alright, cool. Yeah. Post them. And then go right to bed. Oh, in a little bit. Okay, sorry. I misread. Get to bed. So... yeah, so we're having some issues here. I'm wondering if this is a global problem, though. Because... when I complete this, materialized items are coming back. Yeah, materialized items are coming back. But where the hell are the disarm rocket buttons? Right here. Nope, that's a mission. Right here. Nope, that's a materialized item button. Right here. Where are you? Why are you display none? Didn't I already fix this? Why are you display none? Because... you're a materialized item. Oh, where's the materialized item trigger? That's the mission. That's the materialized item trigger. Okay, so it's still there. So yeah, technically if I go, it should trigger it again. It's just not persisting. Your uncle, the best uncle in the world, sat down with me and watched Blazing Saddles. Great movie, man. They'll kill you. Nah, dude, you can't get mad at Blazing Saddles. That's a classic. It was a different time, you know what I mean? The things they say in that, you just have to put it under the lens of, you know, whatever, the 80s. Because it's, you know, what was acceptable to be said in movies and stuff like that. It's just, it's way different. Really funny, though. Yeah. Ah. Got it. Ratings are a little weird, though, to be honest. Movie ratings. There are PG-13 movies that I would not let a 13-year-old watch. You know what I mean? Because there's very crazy loopholes, you know what I mean, that will allow them to do crazy things in PG-13 movies. So, and vice versa, rated R movies, there are plenty of rated R movies that are just a lot of violence. So they have to get pushed into the R rating. Game Doodle. So good. Top Secret with Val Kilmer. Great flick. Airplane. Shut up, Airplane. You talking about Airplane? Come on, man. One of the greatest movies ever. Nick Cage. Spaceballs, hell yeah. They don't make movies like that anymore. I agree. And that's cool. That's cool that your uncle lets you watch it. I became an uncle a few years ago, which was exciting. 2 boys. I got 2 nephews. My older sister had two boys. Can't wait till they get older. 10 years from now, poo. I mean, they're in another state, but I don't have any boys. You know, I have 2 girls. So I'll definitely have to take advantage of having nephews. Yeah, Spaceballs. Fantastic. Game Doodle over here. Hitting the nail on the head. So, one of my favorite things to do is, while I'm eating dinner or something like that, and, you know, my wife's watching whatever she wants to watch, kids are doing whatever they want to do, I watch old 80s movies. Things that I just haven't watched before. 80s, 90s, whatever. Just old, like, cult classics. I'm like, wait, what? I'm like, I've never seen this before. Like, how have I not seen this yet? And, yeah, so, like, I just watched Terminator 1 for the first time not that long ago. Which, like, I've seen T2, you know, I've seen T1000 a million times, Judgment Day. But, like, I just have never seen the first one. And I was like, whoa, was not expecting this. It was so much different than I was expecting. Oh, good. You found him? MASH, the TV show. Yeah, you know, I just saw a bunch of things about MASH. It's my father-in-law's, like, favorite show. My wife, I guess, had to watch it a lot when she was a kid. And I saw a documentary about MASH and just how, like, revolutionary it was for its time. And I completely thought it was a different show. I don't know. I always thought it was a black and white army show, and it was like really slapsticky and shit, like about I don't know. Like, I had a completely different understanding, like Gilligan's Island style comedy. But then I saw the documentary. I was like, oh shit, this is like a dramedy. Like, it was like very serious at times, and the characters were very dynamic and stuff. I was like, oh, not what I thought. And then, what else? I watched Robin Hood for the first time. The one with Kevin Costner. And I always knew the Bryan Adams song that they wrote for the soundtrack. Look into your eyes, you will see me. That song, and I love that song. And I saw the music video, and I didn't put 2 and 2 together because it had random scenes from Robin Hood. And dude, I did not know that the Robin Hood, God, what was it's Robin Hood something. That Kevin Costner Robin Hood was like a direct inspiration for Men in Tights. You know, the comedy, the guy from The Princess Bride. You know, the really funny Robin Hood movie with Dave Chappelle and Isaac Hayes and other people in it. I had no idea that it was like seriously a direct inspiration, and they almost recreated it to a T in a funny lens. And yeah, Men in Tights. Just look it up. It's the same dude who did Princess Bride, the same lead character. He's Robin Hood. Yeah, it's a Mel Brooks one. He's in it. Yeah, and he has a whole scene, which again they take from the Kevin Costner one, because there's a friar in the Kevin Costner Robin Hood that does beer, but in the Men in Tights one, it's Mel Brooks doing like Jewish wine or something like that instead. And it's just both great. Honestly, the Kevin Costner Robin Hood, it was a little dumb at times. Like, the first half of it, like, I really didn't like him as a character, and he never used the bow like in the first half of the movie. And they don't really even show like why is he so skilled, like what are his skills, you know, like they always do in Robin Hood movies where they like, oh, check this shit out, and he like shoots a bow and I don't know, blows up a whole building or something like that because he's so skilled with a bow. and he's kind of a dick. And then like he meets Maid Marian, who he used to know when she was a kid, and she hates him. Like she hated him as a kid. I don't know. It was just like not as enjoyable as the Men in Tights movie, which is funny, supposed to be funny, but like even the Disney Robin Hood with the fucking fox and stuff like that, that was way more enjoyable to me. Even the love story made more sense to me. I don't know. But it wasn't horrible. Alan Rickman, you know, Snape in Harry Potter. Alan Rickman is the Sheriff of Nottingham. First off, in the Kevin Costner Robin Hood, there is no Prince John. So there's no person who's trying to like take over the throne. There's only King Richard, and he's out on his crusade. So there's no Prince John. The main bad guy is just the Sheriff of Nottingham, who is Alan Rickman, who was raised by a witch and is a very strange kind of comical character. Like if you watch Men in Tights, the Mel Brooks one, the Sheriff of Nottingham character isn't even that far off of the Alan Rickman character in the actual, you know, the movie that they're doing in satire of. I don't know. I'm going too far down the rabbit hole in this one, but just saying. Very interesting. Just these movies that I've just never seen before, and I kind of catch up. They're like very like pop culture referenced, and I'm like, oh, that's where they got that from. Even like Mad Max. Like I watched Mad Max for the first time, 1, 2, and 3. And, you know, the Thunderdome one and all that stuff. The stuff that South Park got a lot of the references from for some episodes. And holy crap. That threw me for a loop too. Just how crazy they were. But, yeah. I really need to figure this out. Because the fire is gone now. That's a win. We had confetti, that's good. But for some reason, oh. The button's not going away. Oh no, the button is gone. Okay. Yeah, for some reason the meat Iona at Bailan isn't staying away. Which is weird. Because I definitely did that mission. Let's start over again and let's see where it fails. That way I can try to fix the first bug. That should probably lead me down the right path. I was watching a few gameplays, watching my wife play Dishonored, and watching Moist Critical play this new Wukong game. And it's just giving me all these like ideas for how I want to handle boss fights and you know, the UI and stuff like that. And like I'm still torn whether I want to keep tasks visible or if I want to make a menu for looking at tasks, or maybe even have a link right here to look at your tasks. And maybe even show all the tasks available to you in all the areas that you've been to. It's just I don't really plan on a lot. I mean, until you get to Orbem, I don't plan on you being able to go back and forth through different areas. So, probably don't need that yet. Okay. Let's go find her. I know where she is. Right there. Pop. Yeah, that talking is still annoying. That doesn't work. Yeah, all right. I gotta get rid of some of these console logs. They're just confusing me now. Yeah, that works now. We don't need that. I don't know why I have that. Let's get rid of these. Okay. I got rid of the, oh yeah, because remove things works now. I don't need those. Okay. Let's, alright. Let's do that. And let's go through here. In fact, let's refresh so all those console logs don't show. Yeah, it shouldn't break anything. I mean, it shouldn't skew anything at this point. Everything should be saved. Okay, here we go. Ooh, let's try doing it this way. There might be a better way of moving this. I always move the god damn it, filing cabinet first. Well, obviously that was not the right move. God damn it. Maybe from this angle? Yes, okay, much better. There we go. All right. Now let's go. Let's see. The first bug I want to fix is getting this damn Miona Biolon mission. That should be persistent. Because I think I fixed the whole error part. But when I come back, this should be completed. And I definitely made logic to make that happen. So let's see what happens. Because it's completed in JavaScript here. No, that's not it. No, it's after the cutscene that it completes. Oh shit. It didn't complete it. Huh. Well, that's why. Interesting. So it doesn't complete the mission, but it does complete it client side, so I just had the opposite error now. Well, that's freaking annoying. What the hell? So after cutscene, we're doing this crap. Save mission. Mission complete. Cutscene data. You sent them? What? Oh. I got too excited. So, yes, it's supposed to do this. It takes the mission complete that it does server side, and it's supposed to set this. And if this isn't this, and then do that. Missions content. Uh-huh. Bleh. Yeah, so why is this not getting hit? No, this is getting hit. Why is the server side no longer working? That's the problem. So that's working fine. But why is this not working anymore? Which it totally is. Oh, is it because I'm persisting? No, because the persistent just not the same shit anymore. Value. No. Alright, hold on. Let's see. Let's see if this mission gets hit. It should. I don't know why it wouldn't. Okay, it's sent. Let me check. Ooh, here we go.
Made this clicker game using an Arduino R3.
Click, click, click. Cool. Buttons do things. Ooh, got numbers. Clicks. Let's see the numbers change. Uh-oh. Ooh. Ooh. There we go. The first one to play wasn't done yet? Indy's a sorcerer. A computer sorcerer.
Made this clicker game.
Oh, this
using
one.
an Arduino.
Oh, that's sick. Awesome job, man. Man, the understanding of the basics of computer engineering you have is exciting. It's exciting for me. What? Sleeping? You son of a bitch. Excuse me. That's pretty cool, man. Yeah. No, I'm really proud of you. You're making some really cool things, and just understanding circuitry and the way to work with computer chips and the way wires work. I mean, they're just like invaluable skills to have. Your stats on Discord? Playing what? Visit IndieBond. Welcome to IndieBond, a website made by IndieBond. Let's check your about page. What? I like this better. Nah, that's cool, man. Your Vercel's working out. I missed what I was trying to do. Oh, wait. Let's go to console. Yeah. Nothing happened. Son of a bit. Okay, well, save mission's not getting hit. Wait. What am I trying to do? Yeah, I'm trying to see... Meet Iona at Bailon go away. Because if I refresh, it comes back. Yeah. So it's still not in the database, which is really weird. You just gotta get your gear working. Yeah. That'll help. Yeah, and you probably just need to persist your style sheets across the site. Yeah, I'm just confused why save mission's not getting hit. MailChimp is always ready. Okay. Yeah. It's just not doing it. Yeah, MailChimp is just non-stop. Bikini streams. Twitch just wants you to watch whatever you want to watch. Believe me, sometimes that's all that's on. So you're just going to get recommended that. Believe me. I know. It's just like, stop. Like, first of all, you're not doing anything I want to watch. You know what I mean? It's like, I don't want to hear you talk about nothing. I don't want to watch you really suck at a video game. Like, Jesus. I say that, and then there's like 1,400 people watching. Just like, well, some people want to watch. Alright, so this is obviously not working. So let's go back to after cutscene again. So what is happening here? Because this is working, this is not working. Why is this not working? Cutscene data set, mission complete. So wait, where is it getting cutscene? So cutscene, after cutscene, so this is Bylon. So the cutscene has a mission complete in it. I know it does, and that is meet Iona at Bylon. So this is right here. This is a thing. This exists. So true. And then we grab the mission item for meet Iona at Bylon. And we do this. Just why are you not? I know this is working. So why is that not working? This is obviously working because it goes away client side after the fact. And then this gets hit. Alright, I got a console here. See what the hell's going on. Mission complete. Alright, let's see what it shows us. The person it's recommending has 3.8 thousand viewers. I hate that. You don't ruin my PC and why I need my flash drive to fix it. Yes. What did you do? What did you do, Indy? Where did you go? What did you look at? Now you got me suspicious. It's all your fault. What did you do, Indy? Wait, what? Okay. What did you do? Grubhub. I was going to guess Grubhub. How did Grubhub ruin your PC? What did you do? Brain rot. What the hell did Grubhub do to your computer? I don't even understand that statement. Okay. So you're getting hit. Is value not there? It should be. Wait. Okay. Wait a second. No, I know value's not there. Right, no, value is not there. I know that. So that's the problem. I just added this if statement and it's breaking it. I know value's not there. That's why... shoot, okay. So I need to let value not be there. Because I need it to run this. So then what I need to do is, where is it using value? It's using it right. Yeah. Okay, it's my fault this isn't working. Per usual. Where is value? Right here. Run point animation. Okay. So let's just add it here. Alright. Stop yelling at the game. It's always your fault. Such a Sigma, Skibbity, Ohio, Riz, Rizzler, Mewing. I agree. Nah, you're just kidding. It was Grub Boot Manager. You couldn't load it into Windows. So you had to load it into Arch Linux. Clear your SSD. Make room for Windows. And now you have a partition for Windows to use on dual booting. That's cool, man. Yeah, that's Gyat. That's extreme Gyat. Gyat times 1,000. I have to say, Indy, that is both Skibbity Toilet and a little Phantom Tax. And the second part is very Ohio. Am I speaking your language? That's just all I'm trying to say. I think I understand you now. Phantom Tax. I don't know why there's so much controversy on Phantom Tax. It's just stealing food from people. Not a big deal. Your ears exploded. Did I kill you? With my millennial version of Gen Alpha talk. Yeah, it's Phantom Tax. Oh, it's not Phantom Tax? Yeah, you're right. It's Phantom Tax. See? I was so close to connecting with you. And I ruined it with my pronunciation of Phantom. Phantom Tax. I like Phantom Tax. Let's make that a thing. Phantom Tax. It could be part of the game you're playing, Dak Dude. You suing me for my heresy? Yeah, that was pretty cringe, I would say. The Phantom Tax. Ghosts stealing food. Alright, did it work? No. Yes, it did. Okay, good. So now the mission should be gone for good. Let's see if that's true. Alright. Bug averted. So next bug is getting this damn button to stop showing up. Pop. Okay. So that should be good. Put out the fire. Mission is gone. But if I refresh, will the damn button come back? It will. You son of a bitch. Why are you still here? Why? Go away. Okay, I probably shouldn't have refreshed without checking. Alright, well, let's see what it does when what happens when I do that. Virus? What? Alright, I'm obviously doing something wrong. Check again. Alright. Well, it's good to see those buttons are still there, though. That's good. Yeah, so it's completing a mission, but it's not adding the item that I'm, the breakable item to the persist. Because it doesn't want to give me points again. But it didn't give me points in the first place. So put out fire actually should have triggered a point with that item as the position, but it didn't. Yes, give it to Ohio Riz. And out. Giat. Kim Kardashian, you swear you're rizzing Baby Gronk from Ohio. I'm surprised that you and Indian Dak Dude, you guys aren't just speaking Skibbity Riz Ohio speech constantly in your secret languages, so I don't understand what you're saying. I don't have that many websites, to be honest. I have, let's see, what are all my websites? Obviously, we all know this one. You're not affiliated. So I have orbemortar.com, and then I have Dak Dude's Off the Rails, and I have Great Scott plugins.com. So I have this, and this has some plugins that me and my other buddy Scott have created. And then we have Cram Finance, which is, you know, not doing much. And then we have, I guess we have a few websites now. Yeah, because I think there's also cramdev.com too. Is that a thing still? No, maybe not. Cramtech? No, I don't think I have those yet. Yeah, anyways. So I guess I do have a couple websites, but not that many. And they don't make any money, so you don't want those. Nice. Yeah, as you can see, I'm working on the audiobook. It is taking a long time. He's leaking secrets. I believe it. All right. So the mission is working, but it didn't send the points. So let's actually go through it one more time now that we got everything working up into the point where I want to put out the fire, and see what the hell's wrong with that part. Oh, we're so close to moving forward. Just so many bugs. MailChimp is ready, in case you're wondering. MailChimp ready. MailChimp is ready. And you can tell because they insert their own console log into their plugin called MailChimp Ready. That was not me, that was them. Highest grossing film of the generation, Skibbity Toilet, The War. Technically, I got it. I'll be honest, I watched a handful of the Skibbity Toilet, like, War Saga videos, because I really wanted to get an understanding about what the hell that guy's doing ever since his, like, initial fame from the Skibbity Toilet thing. And now they're making a movie where I think, like, Michael Bay is being the director. Yeah, you should. MailChimp is ready. Not is, it's just MailChimp ready. It's very, very, like, soldier-esque. MailChimp ready. Oh, good, she actually talked this time. Good. working better this time. I like it. Steam? A video game? I mean, it's pretty shizzy already, so I could see them making a video game. You know, graphics-wise, it'd be really easy. I like how it just switches what I'm holding when I'm holding something and I run into something else. I'm getting sick of this office shit. Maybe because I've done it 2 million times. If you make a game in the future, you'll add MailChimp to it. And one of its lines will be, MailChimp ready. Yeah, just like the balloon tower defense game. Just have like a monkey with a helmet on it. MailChimp ready. But it'll be like a postal mail. I mean, a postal chimp. He'll have like mail in a bag. I am MailChimp. My voice, yeah. MailChimp ready. Let's go, soldiers. Time to mail. Okay, let's see what happens. This should give me points. Let's double check that this has points. Fire extinguisher has points. 50. Okay. So this should give me points. It should have a points thing. It should send fire extinguisher. Let's check this here. Alright, here we go. Okay. There are points. Rocket fire extinguisher. I can't tell if that gave me points. And then rocket fire. 2 functions. That worked. Now, the only thing I can think of is that they might be overlapping and screwing up the database. So I might need to add some sort of like spacer in between both of them. But let's see what happens. So if I refresh, will fire come back or will the button come back? Let's see. Fire came back this time. Alright. Well, we figured out the problem. Unfortunately. Shit. Run point animation. Add user points. So this add user points function, I need to add like a queuing system so it just sends them one at a time. Yeah, because now they're both getting sent, but they're hitting the same database, and one's overriding the other one. What do we do? How do we solve this? After your game is done, you're going to speed run it in the most optimal way. Yeah, you'll be able to. You'll know all the secrets. There's definitely going to be good ways to speed run this game. Okay. So I know what I need to do. I need to create a queuing system that waits for the response before sending the next one. I do have an idea. So what I could do is here add a window running point. Was it? Run point, whatever, function equals true. Okay. I can do if window dot run point function, if false equals run point function, then do that. Yeah, because I don't want to kill this. I want to delay it. So if false equals that, running point function, then I want to set it to true and then do this. But I need a response to this, so let's see real quick. XR. I know I have one where I do a response, right? Or they all just send. Oh, here we go. Load. Yeah, I need this. A dupe. Alright, let's go back. And then what we'll do here is set to false again. After it's done. Alright. So we'll do that. What the size of Orbem order file? Which one? What do you mean by file? You mean the entire site? It's not that big. It's a doop a doop a doop. It's only 2.5 gigs. Oh, do it. Bring text. Do it. Yeah, 2.5 gigs. But that includes all of the like local environment stuff. Okay, so that's good. But else. Oh wait. Correct. Alright. But if it's not false, we will rerun this. So I actually need to make this a function. A doop 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 doop. Run point function. And we'll pass. What are we passing? Everything. Let's create that function real quick. Function run point function. Alright. File href. We will pass to that. File href. Fantastic. In fact, I could probably do this for all of them, but that's fine. Run point function. File href. Else. Oh, no, no, no. I'm doing the wrong thing. This whole thing needs to be the function. It has to be a recursive function. So let's do whole thing. Wait, how do I do that? Run point function. Hold on. I understood what I was trying to do before. His little sibling tried to say Sigma, but instead said Simba. I'm a Sibbity Simba. I like that. That's very cute. Okay. So in the timeout, we're going to check if that's false. If it is, set it to true until that's run, and then set it to false. If it's not, I want to recheck. So the only way to do that is rerun add user points again, which I guess isn't that big a deal. Add user points with the same shit. So it's just going to be amount, type, position, collectible. Okay. Right? It's going to keep doing that until this equals false. Should be good. Now, I got to do the same thing for persist removal. So we're going to do this, timeout. We're going to do the same crap. So let me take what I did. What? Oh, it's right there. Good. So I'm going to take this logic, put it in the same spot. Should probably put this whole thing in there. Stop. Bop, 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 bop. And we're going to put instead persist item removal. Oops. Persist item removal. Item. Alright. Good. And we're going to do the same thing. Keep checking over and over. Oh yeah, we got to put this too. Because after it completes, we'll add false. Fantastic. Okay, this should work. This should work. Let's put this clear timeout in there. Oh, shit. Oh, I put the if statement inside that. Oh, that's why. Sure. Let's do that. There we go. Right? Right. Right? Right. And it'll time out 2 seconds every time. Right. I think this is going to work. I'm pretty sure this is going to work. What the nut? Alright. I think this is going to work. Go. Oh yeah, we're going to start fresh. But now I think it's going to work. Because they're going to both interact with each other. Waiting for the window variable to get set to false. Whoever goes first will work, and then once it's done, it'll set to false. This is going to work. A little recursive function never hurt nobody. You gonna head out tomorrow? You'll message me tomorrow. Alright, sounds good, man. Thanks for jumping on, Dak dude. Yeah, I'll be, after this works, I'll be probably heading out. So, yeah, man. Hit me up. We'll make it happen. Thanks for jumping on, my friend. Work. See you, bud. Alrighty. This is gonna work. Oh, it's because, you know, I think it's happening like this because I'm inside of her cape. Which is weird. Might be because we're constantly being in a state of collision. Because I turn off my movement, so I don't let myself move. What do you think of headphones and headphones and headphones? I don't like headphones. Necessary evil, but yeah, not massive on headphones. I need them because I'm like in meetings and sometimes I'm running around and I can't have my phone in my hand when I'm running around, so yeah, I usually have to put headphones on. I use them for recording too because I can't really hear the music well enough. Come on, we can do this. I think this is gonna work. I can feel it. So far no console errors, so my new logic isn't causing any issues. That's good. 911, please state your AISDAGSIUFGAISUFG. You are a big fan of Bool, that's true. You're quite bullish, if I might say. Alright, here we go. Okay. Did they... Oh! That was a nice delay. Uh-huh. No, that's not what I thought was going to get delayed. Alright, well, they both got ran. So... if my logic is sound, the recursive function actually ran pretty fast. So the ultimate test is refreshing the page right now. And I don't want to because I don't want it to be wrong. Okay, okay. Here we go. Let's refresh. No fire. No button. Here we go. We did it. All right. How to do the hamburger with yo dick in yo balls. Dean Marlowe? Is that a question? Hey, Sir Rusty, how's it going? Yo dick in yo balls hamburger. What's the hamburger? Is that a dance move? And by the way, Sir Rusty, I am working on a RPG video game, pixel game, using WordPress. So I have to build a game engine in WordPress in order to build this damn game. And right now I'm working on just bugs, trying to get the tutorial system working. And it is working, so when I refreshed, it worked. Only problem is that the disarm buttons are gone, meaning that they did not persist. So I'm going to have to go and trigger them again, which is quite annoying. Yeah. You love RPGs? That allow you to play however you want? Yeah. Yeah, and you know, I have like different characters. Like this dude lets you grab things and move things that are too heavy for you. This girl is really fast. So like you can see I can move like about twice as fast as normal now with her. And then, you know, this is your main character and he can transport. You see, just by clicking shift, I can transport anywhere on the map. Yeah, there, ew, yeah, Fallout. That's cool. I like me some Fallout. Spooderman. I really like Spooderman. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a big fan of Spooderman. I watched the origin story the other day. It was very entertaining. Yes, I know. All those images don't exist. Okay. How do we get things that you materialize to stay materialized? That's the question. Because right now, if I refresh the page, I have to go and trigger them again. That just means I have to save them to another database and let them be known to be. Or I add the materialize. Did I already do that? I thought I saw actually the materialize get out to the database. Let's check. Because I might be able to just utilize that functionality that exists. So under user meta. Oh, I guess I could just check the actual explore points. Okay, what do we got? Are materialize under here? Wait, what? That's not good. Uh-oh. Shit. Something happened. All the explore points got reset. Shit. How did that happen? Watch, when I refresh, everything's gonna come back. No? Well, where are the explore points? Well, they're not back because the damn... These are all material items. Shoot. Oh, I guess a good indicator would be if Fiona is still there, which she is, if this is correct. Your game looks so easy to make. Yep, she's back. God damn it, what the hell happened? Okay, so obviously my new logic is causing some screw-ups when it comes to this function. I wonder why. That's kind of weird. Makes no sense. Yeah, my game is not easy to make. I know. Indy, I appreciate your tilde sarcasm. I love the tilde sarcasm. It's my favorite. Yeah. Yeah, me and Seashell just had to come up with something because we're so sarcastic in streams. So just adding a tilde at the beginning of your sentence means you're being sarcastic. So everybody knows. And it's very good. What the hell? Seashells on. What up? Hey, is anybody on stream texting me randomly? Because I'm going to block this number unless one of you say that it's you and you're just trying to be funny. Going once. Going twice. Indy, you love to text me randomly. Is this you? Because I'm going to block this number. And if it's a number that you want to text me on, I suggest telling me right now. You only have one number? Alright. Goodbye, number. Doop. It's probably somebody I know. They can tell me later. Yeah, I don't know. It's like somebody randomly yelling at me about a refrigerator. Like apparently I'm supposed to be... Ooh. They said I have a refrigerator for sale or something. I'm like, no, I do not. Oh my god. Excuse me. Back to stream. Nope. Oh my god. I hate having to try to change this to all messages. There we go. Alright. Well, it's like 2 steps forward, 1 step back, it seems like, right? So we got a lot of this working. We have most of the logic after the cutscene going to here working. But for some, yeah, I have to get this whole persistent mission logic working. And all of this is going to pay off in dividends once I get to Orbem and I have a lot of different missions, a lot of different cutscenes, you know, all that crazy stuff. So I think what I'm going to do is figure out why missions are getting reset. Once that's solved, it should all work. So I'll figure that out. In tomorrow's stream, we'll do a Thursday stream, you know? Friday Eve. Love it. Friday Eve. In fact, Friday Eve deserves balloons. Alright, everybody. Here's what I'm going to do. Because I haven't done this in a while, and I like this guy time right now. I'm going to... You don't have to stay, but I'm going to do a quick... raid on my buddy Grumblepugs, because he is a fun guy and he works on a cool game. So let's do that. Where is he? Following Grumblepugs. All right, let's start the raid, my friends. Thanks so much. I will catch you in the next stream.
Longer than
Goodbye.
1 minute
Raid now.
for now.
Alright. See you, YouTube.
We may come back to this and set it